So what made me get started in real estate investing? I was always interested in investing at an early age. I remember I was probably like 9, asking my uncle who changed the prices of stocks, like trying to figure out who was picking if they went up and down. And I remember his answer didn't make sense to me, so then I had to start learning about that stuff. So I did a lot of reading about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Intelligent Investor, and all those books. And it wasn't until I started working at the casino dealing high stakes blackjack and seeing people with money I've never seen before. You've seen people lose hundreds of thousands of dollars, and talking to them and asking them what they did. Like, how could you have this type of money as entertainment just to be able to burn it? And the answer was, oh, I own this many apartments, or I own buildings here, or I own rental property here, and I own this. They always owned some type of physical building asset, and it was just making them money, and they were playing blackjack, not a care in the world. So I saw that, and then I was like, wow, that looks like the thing to get into. So after that, I bought a rental property in college as my first property, and it was a 3-family that I lived in, and that got me started. And later on, years down the road, I started a business managing property for other property owners and helping them invest, and that's kind of where Nexus was birthed and took off.